Hello everyone, I'm Yushin Zhang, CEO of Providence Photonics. Today I'm going to introduce you to an innovative method to measure or monitor methane emissions from flares. Methane emission from flare can be significant. Currently, there's no method to directly measure or monitor methane emission from flare. The method currently used is based on a presumed methane conversion efficiency of 98%, but the actual emission rate is usually unknown. There is a solution to this problem. The solution is utilizing a technology called video imaging spectral radiometer, or VISR. We have developed two devices utilizing this technology. One is a product called Mantis that directly measures combustion efficiency. The second one is called Mantis Light that measures combustion zone net heating value, flaring rate, and the methane emission rate directly. Those are the remote sensing devices. It can positioned at a distance somewhere between 100 to 1,000 feet away from a flare, and it provides a monitoring result and a 1 second interval, no latency, and the device is also suitable to be included as part of a closed loop control. Mantis is a well-established product. It has been deployed to hundreds of flares, mostly in oil and gas field, to quantify methane emissions by measuring flare combustion efficiency or destruction efficiency or methane conversion efficiency. It utilizes a highly sophisticated sensor. As a result, the cost of the product is high. On the other hand, Mantis Light uses less sophisticated sensor. It's a lower cost, but it directly measures the flare's combustion zone net heating value, which is a surrogate used by EPA as for the flare combustion efficiency. It also directly measures the flaring rate and the methane emission rate. What you see here is the result of a test for Mantis Light. The left chart is a measurement of combustion zone net heating value. The green line on this chart means the result of Mantis Light measurement is exactly the same as the result of a conventional method. As you can see, the data points are very closely scattered along this line. The right chart is a similar measurement for flow rate. It is a little bit more scattered compared to the combustion zone net heating value measurement. Here's another way to look at the performance of a Mantis Light. The red solid line is the measurement of a combustion zone net heating value by conventional method. The dotted line is the result measured by the new method by Mantis Light. As you can see, the two lines follow each other very well. The blue lines are similar comparison, but it's for measurement of flow rate. This slide shows 3 different ways to quantify methane emissions from flares. The first one is to rely on the flow rate and assume the 98% methane conversion efficiency. The second method is to still use the flow meter, but also use actually measured combustion efficiency or destruction efficiency to determine methane emission rate. The third method is to use Mantis Light to directly measure the methane emission rate. As you can see, the two measured methods track each other reasonably well, but they are quite different from the estimate method. One of the shortcomings of the estimate method is by definition, when you have a higher flaring rate, you automatically assume you will get a higher emission rate. But in reality, if the combustion efficiency is high when the flaring rate is high, it actually the emission can be lower. So that just shows how important it is to use actual measured method. This is a very brief presentation. If you want to learn more about this technology, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.